welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Sephora collection lip sets. If you do want to see a review and swatches, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I will do my best to reply back. I purchased two different lip sets. One is the Sephora collection holiday vibe set, and then the other one is the Sephora collection lip story set. We're first going to start off with the Sephora collection holiday vibe set. This set retails for $18 and it has a value of $41. You get 3 full-size products in here. I do want to read a little bit about this lip set on Sephora's website. It does say an adorable set of 3 lip products in gorgeous nude shades to give you shiny, matte, or plumped looking lips this holiday season. Treat yourself or someone special this season with this set of bestsellers. Choose from Sephora collection's favorite lip products in the best-selling nude shades to go with any makeup look you choose. Here's a closer look at what the packaging looks like. It says Sephora Holiday Vibe. This retails for $18, but it's a $41 value US. For Canadians, it does say it retails for $24 and a $53 value. You get 3 different lip products in this kit. You get a Sephora Rouge lip lacquer, you get a cream lip stain, and a lip plumper. On the back of the packaging, it has a list of ingredients, and each product was made in different places. The first one, it says it was made in France. The second one states it was made in Italy. And the last product was made in Luxembourg, so that's super interesting. At the top of the packaging, it says Sephora, and down at the bottom, you have the barcode. On the sides, there isn't really anything. So let's go ahead and open this up. This just slides right on off. It's supposed to slide. There we go. Oh look, it's a cute little Christmas tree. And it opens up like that. Here's what the 3 full-size products looks like. So we're gonna first start with, this is called the Outrageous Plump Lip Gloss. You get 0.2 ounces or 6 milliliters of product. This is a full-size lip gloss and the shade is called Universal Volume. The shade name is printed down at the bottom, and this was made in Luxembourg. Like the packaging, it says Sephora on the cap, and then up at the top, it's just a pinky shade. So let's see what this looks like. A clear gloss. Here's what that shade looks like. I don't like lip products that have a tingling sensation or a cooling sensation. It just doesn't feel good on my lips. Let's see what this looks like. I'm not sure why I swatched it on the back of my hand because you guys probably can't even see it on camera, but it does have a bit of a shine to it. I can feel the tingling, cooling sensation on my bottom lip. Apply this quickly on my top lip and then quickly remove this. I like the high shine finish from this gloss, but again, I can feel that tingling sensation, so I'm gonna remove this. And again, the shade is called Universal Volume. If you prefer a soft tingling sensation, then I think you might like this. It's not super overpowering. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the wand. It's really goopy when you pull it out from the tube. Here's what the wand looks like. I like how it has that little dip in the middle. Really cute applicator. The next product is a cream lip stain in the shade Copper Blush. So here's what the packaging looks like. You have the shade name printed up at the top, and then it's wrapped up in this plastic. On the bottom of the cream lip stain, it's shade number 23, and it does state that this is made in Italy. Let's see what Copper Blush looks like. Super pigmented with one swipe. That's a beautiful shade. This shade is gorgeous. It's super pigmented. I did not have to go in with a second coat. And this is a matte cream lip stain. I do want to do a kiss test on the back of my hand. There is a tiny bit of transfer, but the majority of the product is still on my lips. I really do think this shade would suit all skin tones. The last product is called a Rouge lip lacquer. The packaging is very reflective. I'm trying not to blind you guys with the lights, but it does say Sephora printed here. And here's what the shade looks like. Really pretty. Here's how much product comes in the tube. It does state on Sephora's website you get 0.1 ounces or 3 grams of product in this Rouge lacquer. I forgot to mention how much product comes in the cream lip stain. It says 0.169 ounces or 5 milliliters of product for the cream lip stain. Again, here's what the Sephora Rouge Lacquer looks like. The shade name isn't printed on the bottom, it just states where it was made in. This was made in France. And then on the cap, you do have the shade as well. I'm pretty sure the display at Sephora has all the caps looked like this. That way, just in case if you want to see what the shade looks like. Not Your Baby is described as a brownish pink. Really pretty shade. This shade does not look like a brownish pink as described on Sephora's website. It's more of a blush pink in my opinion. It does feel like a chapstick. It feels hydrating on my lips, which I really do like. If you were to purchase this alone, it retails for $14. The cream lip stain retails for $15, and the plumping lip gloss retails for $12 if you were to purchase these items on its own. For $18, I definitely think this set is a great deal, and the shades are really pretty as well. Now let's move on to the Sephora Collection Holiday Vibes # Lip Story set. This set retails for $20 and is a $36 value. I do want to read a little bit about this set. A set of 4 limited edition full-size # Lip Stories lipstick for the price of 2. One swipe provides smooth, full coverage for all-day comfort. 4 new shades just for the holiday season in a limited edition package design that's perfect for gifting or treating yourself. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. I love how they do the packaging of the lipstick. Super cute. Up at the top it says Sephora, and then it says you get 1 free, and then down at the bottom it says Holiday Vibes # Lip Stories set. And then on the back it has a little description about the set. You have the ingredients of each shade, and it does state here it's made in Italy. I do want to read this little description. It says, whether you're baking cookies with your bestie or preparing for a celebration, there's a # Lip Stories to fit your vibe. This set includes 4 best-selling # Lip Stories in brand new wearable shades. Joy, a mauve shade, Wishlist, a berry red, Celebrate, rosy nude shimmer, and Up All Night rich berry. And then it goes on to state the ingredients. Up at the top it says Holiday Vibes # Lip Stories set, and then down at the bottom you just have the barcode. And then on the side here there's a to and from, and on the other side there isn't anything. On this one there wasn't anything on either side. Let's open this up. Here's what 4 of the lipsticks look like. We're gonna start with the first shade. The packaging is so cute. I love the little holiday cookies all around. Really cute detail. And the packaging is cardboard. It does say here # Lip Stories. The shade name is called Joy. And then down at the bottom it says Sephora. Up at the top this is shade number 99. You have the shade name, which is Joy, and this is a cream formula. And down at the bottom it says it's made in Italy. So let's see what the shade in Joy looks like. Really beautiful shade, and it says here # cream, so you know it's a cream formula. Joy is described as a mauve shade. I love these lipsticks. They're super pigmented with one swipe. This shade is gorgeous. It complements my skin tone. It would be a great everyday neutral shade for me. It doesn't smell like vanilla or anything. It just smells like a perfume. It smells nice, but I would prefer not to have a scent. Let's see what the next lipstick looks like. This dog is so cute on the package. Adorable with its little ears. The shade is called Wishlist. Look at the detail. I love it. Super cute. And again, down at the bottom it says Sephora. At the top you have the shade name. The shade name is number 100 in Wishlist, and this is a matte formula. Again, down at the bottom it says made in Italy. Let's see what the shade in Wishlist looks like. Ooh, really beautiful. Again, here we have the shade in Wishlist, and again it says # matte, so that way you know this is a matte formula. Wishlist is described as a berry red. Again, it's super pigmented. I actually like this red shade on me. It complements my skin tone. I might be wearing this shade for Christmas this year. I'm not sure yet, but it's a beautiful holiday red shade. Let's see what the second to last shade looks like. Here's what the next shade looks like. I love the balloons on the packaging. Really pretty. This would be great for New Year's. And again, the shade is called Celebrate. The shade number is 101 in Celebrate, and this is a metal. And again, down at the bottom, it says it was made in Italy. I don't really like metallic lipsticks. This might be a good shade. Let's give it a go. And again, it says hashtag metal in the middle. That way you know it's a metallic shade. Celebrate is described as a rosy nude shimmer. Okay, so it's not that metallic. Let me build up the shade so you guys can see. I thought it would be super metallic, but this might be a wearable shade. You can definitely sheer this shade out if you don't like the shimmer, or you can build it up if you like that metallic look. I'm gonna see if we can build up this shade. I built up the shade going back and forth with this lipstick. Surprisingly, I really like this shade. It's not super shimmery, it's definitely wearable in my opinion. I definitely think you can apply this shade on top of any of the other two lipsticks just to give it a little bit of a pop or a high shine finish. Let's see what the last shade looks like. The last shade is called Up All Night, and here we have a disco ball. Super cute. Again, shade name is Printed. Really cute packaging. The shade number is 102. This is a cream shade in Up All Night. And again, down at the bottom, it says it's made in Italy. So let's see what the shade in Up All Night looks like. Ooh, really beautiful plum shade. And again, it says hashtag cream on the actual lipstick. Up All Night is described as a rich berry. You guys already know how I feel about my purples. I love it. I loved all 4 shades in this collection. All of these shades are wearable in my opinion, depending on what look you're going for. I'm not sure if Sephora will be selling these lipsticks individually, but individually they do retail for $9 a piece. I do want to see what the shade in Joy paired on top with the shade in Celebrate looks like. So first I'm going to apply Joy. I definitely think it'll be a great lip combo. Taking a little bit of the shade in Celebrate, I'm just gonna apply this all over. Here's what that looks like paired together. This is a beautiful lip combo. It gives that perfect amount of shininess, like you have a little bit of gloss, but you didn't apply any gloss. Let me know in the comments down below which lip set was your favorite. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.